Fusion Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
Problems of agricultural mechanization. Mechanization is application of engineering principles and technology in agricultural production, storage and processing on the farm. We have various problems of farm mechanization, which include the land tenure system, scattered farm holdings, poverty of farmers, inadequate facilities, bad topography, varied soil types, inadequate spare parts, inadequate technical manpower, problems of storms and logs. In the problem of land tenure system, here the type of land tenure system does not allow for large farm holdings suitable for mechanization. Scattered farm holdings are also not conducive or economical for mechanization, especially in West Africa. Most farmers, especially in West Africa, are very poor and cannot afford the cost of tractors and farm implements. The problem of inadequate facilities for fabricating and repairing farm implements. Another problem of farm mechanization is that the facilities or machinery for fabricating and repairing farm implements are grossly insufficient where they are available. The topography of most West African landscape is too rough and unconducive for farm mechanization. Varied soil type is another problem of farm mechanization. This is because machines to use on them have not been developed locally. Availability of spare parts is a major problem, as these spare parts are still being imported. Inadequate technical manpower to operate or service the implements and machines is another problem. We also have the problems of storms and logs. This is because during clearing, heavy storms and logs are usually left behind, and they constitute additional problems in mechanization. There are certain factors limiting farm mechanization, and they include the economic limitation, technical limitation, lack of maintenance, and small farm holdings. In economic limitation, machines are not readily available in the country. Most farmers are poor and cannot afford them. The cost of hiring the machines is high or exorbitant. And also, the operators of machines demand high pay or wages which most farmers cannot afford. And also, the cost of maintenance is high. In technical limitation, there is lack of technical know-how of the machines. Mode of operations of most machines are not known. Experts on these machines are not readily available. Most of the machines are not adapted to our local environment or needs, and very few schools exist for the training of machine operators. In the lack of maintenance, most machines are imported. The replacement parts are not available. Facilities for repair and maintenance are lacking. Inadequate trained personnel to repair farm machines. The very few trained personnel are not always available when machines break down. In small farm holdings, land tenure systems encourage fragmentation of land which cannot be mechanized. Agriculture is practiced by peasant farmers. Fragmentation of land discourages mechanization, and peasant farmers have small area of farmland. Advantages of farm mechanization. Farm mechanization has the following advantages. 1. Timeliness of operation. Mechanization saves labor, in that it substitutes human effort with machines, hence labor saved could be employed elsewhere. Farm mechanization ensures that all farm operations are done and completed within a short period of time. Farm mechanization reduces health hazards. These include those posed by knives, storms, hail, pests, etc. Farm mechanization makes it easy to avoid unpleasant manual jobs. Farm mechanization helps to increase farm revenue. It encourages large-scale farming, in that farmers are capable of working on large farms, which in turn reap heavy harvests. Mechanization makes it possible for farmers to have increase in output, that is, in the production, harvest, or yield. Farm mechanization enables people to become specialized in certain operations within the farm. Farm mechanization also enables many farmers to come together and pool their resources together, thereby promoting or encouraging cooperation among farmers. Farm mechanization leads to the reduction in the cost of agricultural operations per unit output. Mechanization also helps to release labor to other sectors of the economy. The disadvantages of farm mechanization includes 1. High cost. This is because farm mechanization, due to the numerous machines involved, is usually expensive to operate. Farm mechanization also fosters the displacement of workers. Mechanization leads to compactation of soil due to the movement of heavy machines. It also causes environmental pollution due to smokes emanating from machines, chemicals, and fertilizer usage. Mechanization ensures the degradation of landscape as a result of continuous excavation. Farm mechanization fosters the destruction of soil structure. This is because the soil structure can easily be destroyed due to continuous movement and usage of machines. With farm machines working on the farm, the work can easily be completed, and this situation can create redundancy in farm labor. Another disadvantage is that very few crops like maize, rice, millet, guinea corn, etc. can easily be mechanized. There is also the problem of inadequate technical know-how on the use and handling of the farm machines and equipment. There is the problem of high cost of maintenance involved, especially for heavy machines. Mechanization helps to spread pests and diseases through contaminated machineries. And also, unstable supply of fuel can affect the working of machines.